Now I am going to start. Yesterday I was already given one problem on the final accounts of the proprietary concern, and that problem is from the following trial balance as on 31st March 2018 of Mr. Gurin Gurihar, prepare manufacturing account, trading account, profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2018 and the balance sheet as on that date. So whatever may be the information given in the trial balance and in the adjustments, we are preparing the manufacturer account, trading and profit and loss account, that is the combined, and the balance sheet. So first of all, give the heading. In the books of Mr. Gurihar, next line, manufacturing account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Make the four parts of the page. Make the two parts of the page. Left hand side debit and right hand side credit. Right there on left hand side debit and right hand side credit. Now debit side, two columns are there. Particulars, big column, and another is amount. Particulars, amount. Same columns are there on credit side. Particulars and amount. Particulars and amount. Now for the manufacturing account, it is a important and big account. So keep 17 lines blank, 18 to 17 lines blank. Then after that, give the next heading, trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account. Now this is the combined account. Trading and profit and loss account for the year ended. 31st March 2018. 31st March 2018. Now for the trading account, keep 5 to 6 lines blank. Now there is no any diversion or like that. So for trading account, keep 5 to 6 lines blank, and again we are continued the profit and loss account in the same. So for the profit and loss account and for the trading account, keep 20 to 22 lines blank. Keep 20 to 20 lines blank. And after that, next heading, balance sheet. Balance sheet. As on 31st March 2018. as on 31st March 2018. Now balance sheet has again two sides, left hand side liabilities and amount, liabilities and amount, two columns, and right hand side assets and amount, assets and amount. So for the balance sheet, total keep 10 to 14 lines blank, 10 to 14 lines blank. Now adjustments are given. Following further information is provided to you. Number 1, closing stock as on 31st March 2018 was raw material 18,000, work in progress 7,000, and finished goods 13,000. So these are closing stock of balances. So no need to make the tick mark. The second adjustment is depreciate plant and machinery by 5%. Now plant and machinery, first item is given in the trial balance, make the tick mark. Machinery is having the adjustment. So those items are having the adjustments, make a tick mark. So we can't forget it to have a depreciation or any other on it. Then third adjustment is,
Good morning, sir.
good morning. Ushira yun good morning noko kuru. During the year, finished goods were withdrawn by proprietor costing rupees 8,000 for personal use. So finished goods are withdrawn of rupees 8,000. So whatever may be the amount of finished cost stock that we can consider therein, then provide reserve for doubtful debts at the rate of 10% on debtors. Now make the tick mark to the debtors. Amount of debtors, sundry debtors is given after provision for bad debts. So make the tick mark to the debtors having the adjustment. And then fifth adjustment is outstanding advertisement expenses rupees 2,000. Make the tick mark to the advertisement. After cash at bank, the advertisement item is given. So now we are going to start one by one. Now machinery is given first item in the trial balance. So record it on the balance sheet asset side. Go to the balance sheet asset side. Machinery, inner column 1 lakh, inner column 1 lakh. Now there is a depreciation provision, so less depreciation, at the rate of 5%, at the rate of 5%. So whatever may be the amount, we can calculate afterwards. We can calculate afterwards. Next, sales are given. So sales are recorded on trading account, credit side, not the manufacturing account. So trading account, credit side. Now for the manufacturing account, we are kept separate lines or separate account. So trading account credit side buy sales. Buy sales. Outer column 3,28,000. 3,28,000. Then opening stock of raw material and opening stock of WIP, both are to be recorded on debit side of manufacturing account. So go to the manufacturer account, first account, to opening stock of raw material, to opening stock of raw material. Amount 16,000, 16,000. Next, to opening stock of WIP, same account, manufacturer account, debit side. To opening stock of WIP, 3,000. 3,000. Now the opening stock of finished goods is recorded on the debit side of trading account. So trading account, keep one line blank for the debit side, one line blank to the debit side of trading account, and then write to the second line to opening stock of finished goods, to opening stock of finished goods. The amount is given 11,000. The amount is given 11,000. Amount column 11,000. Then production royalty. Royalty is recorded on the debit side of manufacturing account. Manufacturing account. Now after opening stock, keep 3-4 lines blank. Manufacturing account debit side, we are recorded opening stock of material and opening stock of WIP. After that, keep 3-4 lines blank and then write to production royalty, to production royalty. Amount is 10,000. Amount column 10,000. Then factory rent, manufacturing account, same account, debit side. After production royalty, write to factory rent, to factory rent. Amount is 12,000. Amount is 12,000. Next, factory power and fuel, same account, manufacturing account, debit side. To factory power and fuel, to factory power and fuel. Amount column 13,000. 13,000. Next, office salaries. Now office salaries is the item of profit and loss account. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंटला 3-4 ओळी जागा 5 ओळी जागा ठेवा आणि नंतर त्याच्यामध्ये पुढच्या लाईनला टोटल वगैरे करायला जागा ठेवून प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट म्हणजे डेबिटला लिहा टू ऑफिस सॅलरीज, टू ऑफिस सॅलरीज. $25,000 to office salaries, amount 25,000. Then next is given office expenses. After office salaries, right to office expenses, profit and loss account debit side to office expenses. Amount given 29,000. 29,000. Then direct wages are given. Direct wages are to be recorded on debit side of manufacturing account. So manufacturing account debit side to direct wages. To direct wages. 58,000. Amount is 58,000. Next, purchases of raw materials. Manufacturing account debit side after opening stock, right to purchases of raw material, manufacturing account debit side. Amount is 1,23,000. 1,23,000. Then cash at bank, asset side, balance sheet asset side. आता जिथं मशिनरी लिहिली त्याच्यानंतर 2-4 ओळी जागा ठेवा. Keep the 3-4 lines blank and then write asset side cash at bank. Cash at bank. Amount is 4,000. Amount column 4,000. Then another item in the trial balance, advertisement, 18,000. So advertisement, profit and loss account debit side to advertisement, inner column there is adjustment to advertisement, inner column 18,000, 18, and the adjustment is there outstanding advertisement. So add right there advertisement 18,000, add outstanding. Now whatever may be the outstanding, we can record it at the time of considering the adjustment. Next, interest, 8,000 amount of interest is given. So interest is recorded on debit side of profit and loss account. To interest, profit and loss account, after advertisement to interest, 8,000. Then discount allowed. Discount is also recorded on the debit side of profit and loss account. To discount allowed, amount is 6,000. Amount is 6,000. Next, creditors are given 30,000. So balance sheet liability side. Now first of all, on the liability side, keep 5 to 6 lines blank. Keep 5 to 6 lines blank on liability side. And then write creditors, liability side creditors, amount column 30,000. Amount column 30,000. Next, bad debts are given 4,000. Bad debts are to be recorded on debit side of profit and loss account. Go to the profit and loss account, debit side, to bad debts, inner column, to bad debts, inner column, 4,000, inner column 4,000. There is an adjustment on bad debts. So again, provision for bad debts is given rupees 2,000. Now, first bad debts we are written to bad debts 4,000. Again, keep 1-2 lines blank there. त्याच्याच खाली 2 ओळी जागा ठेवा. 4,000 जिथे लिहिले त्याच्या खाली, आणि त्याच्यातून म्हणा लेस, 2 ओळी जागा ठेवल्यानंतर लेस ओल्ड RDD, old RDD, inner column 2,000, inner column 2,000. बाकीचे सगळे अजून त्याच्यामध्ये ऍडजस्ट केल्यानंतर मग आउटरला टोटल आपण घेणार आहोत. Then sundry debtors 55,000 are given. Balance sheet asset side, after machinery, record sundry debtors, inner column. There is adjustment on sundry debtors, inner column amount 55,000, and write there again less RDD, less RDD. So whatever may be the amount of RDD, we can take it as per the adjustment. Then bills payable. Bills payable is a liability. Balance sheet liability side, after creditors, write bills payables. Bills payables amount is 10,000. Amount is 10,000. Next item of trial balance is capital 1,40,000. Balance sheet liability side, where we are kept some lines blank. Liability side, first item capital account. जिथं मोकळी जागा ठेवली होती तिथं पहिल्या लाईनला लिहा कॅपिटल अकाउंट. इनर कॉलम 1,40,000. इनर कॉलमला म्हणजे अमाऊंट कॉलमला लिहायचं नसतं, त्याच्या पर्टिक्युलरच्या आतल्याच कॉलमला लिहायचं 1,40,000. देन ड्रॉइंग इज गिवन 15,000. कॅपिटलच्या नंतर आता जे कॅपिटल आपण लिहिलं 1,40,000, त्याच्यामध्ये 2 लाईन मोकळ्या ठेवा मध्ये, आणि नंतर लिहा लेस ड्रॉइंग्स, लेस ड्रॉइंग्स, इनर कॉलम 15,000, 15,000. So all the items in the trial balance we are recorded and transferred to the concerned account, manufacturing, trading, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Now we are going to consider the adjustments. Following further information is provided to you. Additional information is given. So first is closing stock as on 31st March. Raw material 18,000 and WIP 7,000. So manufacturing account credit side, manufacturing account first account credit side, by closing stock by closing stock. Underline, make the underline to it. And next line, raw material 18,000, outer column, amount column 18,000. Next, same on credit side, WIP, after raw material write WIP, amount column 7,000, amount column 7,000, and finished goods rupees 13,000 is given. Now finished goods closing stock is to be recorded on trading account credit side. After sales, where we are recorded sales, after that write by closing stock of finished goods, by closing stock of finished goods, $13,000, 13,000. So this is the first effect of closing stock. So another effect, every adjustment has twofold effects. So another effect of the closing stock, balance sheet asset side, balance sheet asset side. Closing stock, underline, into that raw material 18,000, then WIP 7,000, after raw material write WIP 7,000, and after that finished goods, one by one we are recording. Finished goods 13,000. So one effect is manufacturing account credit side and trading account credit side, and another effect is balance sheet asset side. Second adjustment, depreciate machinery at the rate of 5%. Now we are recorded machinery on the asset side 1 lakh, less depreciation at the rate of 5%. On 1 lakh rupees, 5% depreciation 5,000. So less depreciation 5,000. Then write outer column amount 95,000. Outer column amount 95,000. So this is one effect of depreciation. Another effect, now plant is used in the factory. So the manufacturing account debit side, manufacturing account debit side, to depreciation on plant, to depreciation on plant or machinery 5,000. 5,000. Next adjustment, during the year finished goods were withdrawn by proprietor costing rupees 8,000 for personal use. So this is a drawing. Personal use means drawing. So first effect is trading account credit side, trading account credit side, by goods withdrawn by proprietor, by goods withdrawn by proprietor 8,000, amount is 8,000. Amount is 8,000. Second effect, balance sheet liability side, balance sheet liability side. पहिला ड्रॉइंग आपला 15,000चा आहे. त्याच्यानंतर एक ओळ मध्ये मोकळी ठेवा. One line keep blank after that, and then less goods withdrawn for personal use. Less goods withdrawn for personal use. Inner column 8,000. Inner column 8,000. So two-fold effect of every adjustment we are making. Next, provide reserve for doubtful debts at the rate of 10% on debtors. Now debtors we are recorded on the asset side 55,000. Sundry debtors 55,000. From that less RDD at the rate of 10%. Right there at the rate of 10% less RDD at the rate of 10%. So on 55,000, 10% means 5,500. 5,500. So deduct this from 55,000 less 5,500. Outer column total 49,500. 49,500. Now the another effect where we are recorded bad debts 4,000. Into that, after that, add new RDD. This is the new RDD. Add new RDD 5,500 inner column. 5,500 inner column. So make the total inner column 4,000 plus 5,500. Total inner column 9,500. 9,500. आता त्याच्यातून लेस ओल्ड आरडीडी आहे 2,000. 9,500 मधून 2,000 ओल्ड आरडीडी वजा करायचे. सो आउटर कॉलम 7,500. आउटर कॉलम 7,500. नेक्स्ट लास्ट एडजस्टमेंट आउटस्टैंडिंग एडवर्टाइजमेंट एक्सपेंसेस ₹2,000. Advertisement we are recorded on profit and loss account debit side inner column. Advertisement 18,000. Into that add outstanding 2,000. Outstanding inner column 2,000. And then outer column total 20,000. Outer column total 20,000. So this is the one effect. Another effect of advertisement outstanding balance sheet liability side. Balance sheet liability side. Outstanding advertisement. Outstanding advertisement amount 2,000. Amount 2,000. So all the adjustments and trial balance items completed. Now make the total. Make the total. Manufacturing account debit side. Chadda is writing something. Chadda, Mr. Chadda, what you are writing messages? Who is Chadda? Now don't write the message. I know what is your name. On the screen itself I show it. Mr. Chadda, don't write anything. Chadda, you listen to me. Hi, bye, असलं काय लिहू नको. And don't raise hand between. कुणी हात वर करायचे नाहीत, काय नाही, गप्प राहायचं नुसतं. So debit side, total of manufacturing account. $2,40,000. Somebody is writing. Another total is 2,37,000. Mitali Garat 2,40,000. Tejas 2,40,000. Viraj 2,40,000. So 2,40,000. Major students are giving the answer. Divesh also given 2,40,000. So write debit side 2,40,000. Okay. Rohit Matre, now stop the total. Debit side of manufacturing account total 2,40,000, and the difference, somebody has given the answer, difference 2,07,000. 2,07,000. So 2,40,000, 2,40,000, and cost of production. The difference is cost of production. $2,40,000 मधून क्लोजिंग स्टॉक 2 वजा करायचे. मटेरियल आणि WIP. $2,15,000. Ankita Kadam. Anybody? Another figure? $2,15,000. Tejas Khandare. Mitali Garat 2,15,000. Pooja Pawar 2,15,000. Pravila Garat. Okay. 2,15,000. By cost of production, give the name for it. By cost of production, 2,15,000. Now this is to be recorded on debit side of trading account, where we are kept one line blank. जिथं एक ओळ जागा ठेवली होती तिथं लिहा to cost of production 2,15,000. 2,15,000. Now time is over. You can make it at home, totals, and then if not correct, I will start from the next period with the total of trading account. So today we are stop here.